Such a cool looking little thing. So this is a tarot card reading. Tell you all about it in a minute.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.
Let's go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So this is Fiona Kim, and then Tarot, and then that's a Hong Kong address. So I guess it originally came from Hong Kong, and I guess something happened. Oh, they didn't pay their bills, so they lost. But anyways, this is in the. I'll show you real quick. So there's two tarot places that I saw in here. It's a little specialty shop, and we're just gonna show you the what this place is all about. Originally, this is in the Teatro Capital, and so this is kind of an old cinema. And then up there is where they would play the movies. But the first 4 floors are all kinds of cool little things. Like there's selling like boutiques and coffee shops, and then of course this tarot card place, which is closed, but it looks like they used to do readings here regularly, 1 to 8 o'clock, 1 to 8 every day. Kind of interesting. It's funny that they might have got stuck in Hong Kong, because if they don't have a Macau residency card, they can't come back. So it's possible that because of the COVID, they might not have been able to come back to Macau. Anyways, we're gonna show you this other tarot one too, because this is filled with all kinds of different stuff, and I was kind of surprised because I also saw this one too, In Future it's called. And it's another tarot, so it's kind of funny. And I guess this one is also locked, but not locked very well, so because it's open. Huh. Looks like they haven't really used it in quite a while. Strangely, it's the same time, 1 to 9 p.m. It's the same as the other. I don't know if it's connected or not. And then, And anyways, let's just show you a little bit from the outside and down below. So yeah, this little shop has all these kind of knickknacks, and I made another video about that, but I wanted to focus mostly on tarot. It's kind of cool. The Thai shop as well. And then we'll just show you the outside from the cinema. There it is. There it is. And there it is. Okay. Hope you enjoyed that one. And we're gonna end it right here. Huh. So, okay. Kind of a cool little space. Lots of interesting little stuff in here.
Chiquinha.